Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today
it's how to replace the battery in your digital kitchen scales. Now on this particular model, when you press on, it's got a digital display and it says low. That means the battery is low and it needs replacing. Now it does still work, but it does keep cutting out randomly, so we definitely need to change the battery. What you need to do is just flip the unit over and then remove this cover here by gently pushing in that clip. And that is the battery there, and it's a CR2032. They generally are CR2032s, but it might be a 2025. Just take a blunt instrument and just lever it out on the edge here against the spring, and then the battery just pops out. Now I've got a whole packet of new ones here, various different types. So I'm just going to remove the CR2032. Make sure that it goes in exactly the same way with the positive facing up, and then you're just sliding it in, pushing it against that spring, and then it just clips into place. Then put the cover back on, just clip that down, and that cup of tea in the top right hand corner, I've been waiting to have a sip of that ever since I started this video. Right, time for that brew. Hope that was useful. In the top right, how to remove mold from silicone without any scrubbing. In the top left, how to defrost your freezer easily. And in the bottom left, how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails.